In this We Do problem, we have, let's see, some eggshells. And one of the compounds in eggshell is calcium carbonate. We're going to react calcium carbonate with some acetic acid, and our products will be water, carbon dioxide, and some calcium acetate. So the question says if you have 4.421 grams of carbon dioxide produced, and we started with 10.57 grams of eggshell, what is the percent mass in the eggshell that was calcium carbonate? Okay, so deciphering this problem, eggshell is a mixture of a bunch of different substances. We're going to focus in on how much of that eggshell is actually just calcium carbonate. So according to our balanced equation, we have a 1 mole of carbon dioxide produced for every 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So if you put that eggshell in some acetic acid, you'll start to see bubbling because you'll see the carbon dioxide. But the acetic acid is only reacting with the calcium carbonate in the eggshell. Keeping that in mind, if we have 4.421 grams of CO2 produced, we can go ahead and use stoichiometry to go from mass of CO2 to moles of CO2 to moles of, let's see, calcium carbonate, and then I guess find mass of calcium carbonate. So let's go ahead and do that. We know that 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains approximately, or should have a mass of, let's see, 44.01 grams. And that allows us to cancel out grams of CO2. Now our mole ratio is 1 to 1. So we have 1 mole of calcium carbonate being used up for every 1 mole of CO2 that is produced. And moles of CO2 cancels. And then to get mass of calcium carbonate, we know that 1 mole of calcium carbonate from our periodic table has a mass of about 100.09 grams, CaCO3. So that tells us in that eggshell, the 4.421, the 10.57 grams of eggshell, we have 10.05 grams of calcium carbonate. So once we have that, finding the percent mass is easy. We just take the mass of the calcium carbonate and divide that by the mass of the eggshells. So 10.57. Let's say eggshell. And then to make it a percent, we multiply by 100. And so quite a bit of the eggshell is actually calcium carbonate, about 95.08%. And that's it.